My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Hey you, my name is LaQuanda and welcome to TG Customs. Today is going to be another different kind of vlog day. We're going outside, guys. We're going outside. Why? Because this printer has been giving your girl stress and she got to get rid of her or replace her, whatever y'all want to call it. But I have to go find a printer. I have orders to do. And I have to go find a printer to do these orders. So, take you guys along with me to find a printer. I don't know which printer I'm getting. I did no research because literally I was going to just use this printer. But I'm like, no, I can't. My brain can't handle the stress no more. So I just got up for work and I'm going right to buy a new printer today. If I can afford it. So, let's go, guys. Made it to Best Buy. On the way, Damien showed me a printer. However, that printer is not in the budget. So now I'm gonna have to figure out which printer is on the budget. That's not gonna die on me or act a fool too quickly. Too bad this is not a real time, so I can't say, hey guys, let me know which printer I should get below. But leave a comment and let me know which printer you have for your small business. I really had no time to research. This is terrible. The printer decision, it's not working. Damien really wants to get that Eco Tank, that Shack printer, and I really don't want to spend the money on it today. So we're just gonna get ink to replace the ink that's in my printer now. Note to future Quanda, your ink is 902. Okay, girl, stop asking every time you go to buy ink what it is. Every time. All right, so we're just gonna get ink and then head back to the house so I can start my orders. As you guys can tell by now that I did not get a new printer. I did end up just buying ink because my husband is really interested in that Epson Eco Tank printer. I'll put a picture right here of the printer he is really interested in, if you guys didn't notice prior, but it's not in the budget. So we're gonna get the budget together for that. And in the meantime, I will stick with my printer that I have now. As you guys can see, the name of the printer, I'm gonna put it right here. I don't remember what it is, and I'm not gonna walk over there to check. But he's really set on the Epson Eco Tank. If you guys have any suggestions on what a good printer is that does not waste ink, because right now I'm probably wasting some ink because I had to change all the cartridges because I don't know how much ink is left in the other two cartridges. So I just changed all three of them just to save the hassle. But if you guys have any suggestions on printers that are good on ink, let me know in the comments below, please. I would really appreciate it if you didn't already leave that comment. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work on what I have to do today. Let me get my list. Yes, KJ. So my list for today is I have to send a mock-up to a client. I'm not gonna do that on the video. I'm probably gonna do that after I sit down and relax for the rest of the night. I'll just go ahead and play around with these mock-ups for her. I gotta do 2 memorial shirts. I have to do a budget binder, and I'll tell you guys about that budget binder when I get to it. And Okay, and I already installed the ink. So that's what we're gonna do today. The ink install, I'm going to check that off of my list. And I think we're gonna start with the budget binder first. I'm not going to show you guys how, a step-by-step on how I make the budget binder, but here is what we will be budgeting binding today. Funny story about this budget binder. My friend was over here. I think I mentioned that in the video. Oh, that was on my personal channel. I mentioned the video that my friend was here doing my husband's hair. And then when it was time for me to pay her, because apparently I'm the sugar mama in this relationship, time for me to pay her, I had pulled out my budget binders to pay her. And she was very intrigued on what these are. So basically, these are money binders that I have here. They have different categories that I do budget every paycheck. This is my savings one. This is the one that we do not touch on a day-to-day basis. I have to actually put labels on this one because this was a newer one. And then I have this stack that needs to be deposited, as it says. But I have not made it to any bank yet because I've been ripping and running inside the house, apparently, because I've been in the streets. So why haven't I gone to the bank? I will never understand. But I do budget on a bi-weekly basis. I've been thinking about doing budgeting videos, but I don't think people are interested. But if you are interested, leave a comment below if you want to see how I do my budgets. Got 2 binders. I do have more of these floating around here somewhere. I have a few in my purse. If you guys want more detailed information on that, let me know. But let me go ahead and get her order done. And once that is completed, I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Budget binder. Okay, guys, if you do want to purchase your own budget binder, link is in the description box below. However, they don't come with the pictures. They don't come with these pictures. The client did order pictures, but I'm not offering pictures at this moment. All right, so we are on to the next project, which is going to be, well, let's go ahead and check this off. There we go. Next project is going to be the memorial shirts. So let's get to work. And of course, my printer is acting a donkey again. It's been looking for printer for about 5 minutes. The printer is on. It has ink, it has paper. Usually I can just like disconnect from the Wi-Fi. Unable to locate printer. Then when I reconnect to the Wi-Fi, it works. So let's try that for the 3rd time. Looking for printer. When I say this printer is going to, you know what? I'm not even gonna speak that. I'm just gonna have to hardwire it to the computer, which is aggy because the printer is all the way on the floor under the desk, not by my crafting desk. I'm going to have to hardwire it to my computer, which is not even close, because the printer is under the desk and my computer is on my craft table. So such an inconvenience. But I found the cord. 2021. We don't do cords in 2021. Come on, printer. It's not the cord. It's not the cord. It's the power cord. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. How do I connect it? I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Sony God. Why do I have so much cords in here that doesn't make any sense to me? Do you think this is it? Let's try this one. I have no idea. I have attached a cord. Still says looking for printer. Why? Y'all see what time it is? Do y'all see what time it is? I just want to print this and go to bed. That's it. Really printing, but it's like thinking about it. Somebody cash out me some money for a new printer, because I can't keep doing this.
3 little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry.
It is the next day. The printer at work, yes, I got my items printed. They're right here. And we just have to get them onto the shirts now. But I didn't weed. Oh, I forgot. So the weed. These. And then we'll press it onto the shirt. My camera definitely cut off in the middle of me recording. I have no idea when it cut off, but I did complete my orders that I had. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me and sticking with me. If you actually made it this far, leave an emoji at the bottom in the comment section for me. Let's do an emoji of time. Do a little clock emoji. Let me know that you guys made it this far, and also let me know that I ran out of time on that video because my storage was like, nope, no more. I have footage from my vacation vlogs, from my daily vlogs on here. So my phone is like, girl, clean me off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to doing that now, since I can't record nothing else until I